Okay. It is the moment you've been waiting for, you lovely lot. It is session 4. Goodness me, aren't you all looking gorgeous? Are you all having a lovely time here at the Land of Taste? Taste of Abu Dhabi, we're back bigger and better. Look at our beautiful new building. Guys, if you could put your hands together and do some serious love for this incredible chef. He's been with us before and he's come back to share his love of cooking. Put your hands together for the incredible chef, Sanjeev Kapoor!
Thank you very much. Oh my God, good afternoon, good evening. Oh, what a beautiful day. I can say this here, last week I was in London.
Were you?
Yeah, and I couldn't
say. It's a little chilly.
Yeah,
so winter.
Didn't see the sun there, but I had to go back to Mumbai, get the sun, bring it here.
Brilliant.
Actually, the sun never sets here, but fantastic. Oh my God, look at the lovely team. You're going to win it, right? Yes, lovely. Fantastic. Oh my God. So we have...
Children, right?
There's competition, see? There's competition. Are they going to win or you? Okay. Let's see it. Okay, you have to listen, okay? As she said, you have to listen.
Yes.
Okay? So there are ingredients which will be used. There may be something that I don't use. Listen very carefully. It's a competition. Dish is simple, but it is a competition of listening. It's not competition of cooking. Okay? While you listen, you learn how to cook. So listening is important. Listen to the ingredients. Do they speak to you? Oh yes. Okay, yeah?
Go on everyone. You told me to listen to your ingredients.
Okay.
Go on.
Cooking is sensorial. Okay? All 5 senses are at play. You see what this is? There is chopped onion. Okay? You can see it. You can smell it. Ooh, sulfuric smell. But never mind. It changes when you cook it. It becomes sweet. That's the beauty of onion. You can taste it. It will be sharp. And when you eat it, the crunch is what you hear. And you can touch it and you can feel it. All 5 senses are at play. And good thing, not many people know this, but there is a science where if you cannot hear properly, there are crunchy things that you may not enjoy very well. So so be lucky and let's start rolling. Okay, this is working perfect. This is very nice. Let me get this going. Okay.
What number? 7?
7. I've got it on 7. But there, I don't know what if it is the same induction or
We'll
not.
start with 7. If you're smoking, turn it down. Okay?
Okay.
You're all in charge of your stations.
Pan on induction, switch it on. Yeah, okay. There's an ingredient which looks like this. This is the fat, it's ghee, it's clarified. Butter it should be. Okay? Put all of it in the pan, which should be slightly warm. And now, there are 2 spices which are the key spices in this. Actually, it's same spice. It's fennel seed. Smell it. One is crushed, one is seed. Smell it. They should speak to you. Can you smell it? Yeah?
Speaking to you.
Is it speaking to you?
Ask a student.
Okay. Now, the beauty is, take the ground one, put it in ghee, take all of onion, put it in ghee, take half of chopped garlic.
Half of your chopped garlic.
Okay, all of onion, half of chopped garlic, and here we are. Okay, turn down the heat to about 3.
We're going to 3 everyone on your hob. Turn it down to 3.
Okay. How many of you love chili? Okay, that's one. Okay, who does not like chili? 1, 2, 3. Okay, ignore chilies from your counter. Keep it away.
Do you like chilies?
Anyone who likes? Okay, who likes chili? Okay, so people who do not like chili, pass on the chili to the people who like it. Sharing is caring. Okay, share it. Okay, we've got a plate and there is something inside this. Let's see. Oh, these are only potatoes.
Beautiful.
They are only potatoes. Okay.
Bring your potatoes out to play.
Here we are. Okay. Lovely. Now, just toss them.
What is this dish called?
We will name it after a approved person here. So naming ceremony of this dish has not been done. We'll name it a little later. We'll name it a little later.
Surprise.
Okay, it's a surprise. Let's see. I'm just going to pause this dish here and I'll come down and let me see.
Do you want them to add some water?
Okay, no. You don't. It's just for me to pause. Yeah. This is for me to pause. Oh, that looks very good. Excellent. Oh my God. That's good. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. I only asked for chilies. I didn't add chilies, right? You added chilies. Say that add chilies.
They got very excited.
They got excited with chili.
They obviously
Okay.
love chili.
Yeah. So that's what I say. It's all about listening.
It's okay.
Okay, a little bit of chili touch. But just a tad. Yeah, that's perfect. That looks very good. Thank you very much. Oh my God, this is. Oh my God, what did you do with your hands? What did you do? Oh, you played football with your hand. So how can you break your hand with playing football? Actually, I did that years ago. I did that too. Yeah. You'll get better soon. And that's one hand cooking. Amazing. I can only do one hand while playing chess. Not cooking. Okay. That was good. Be nice. Amazing. So you added water as well, right? Which I did not ask, so that's okay. And that's beautiful support that you're giving. Yeah? Good support. Okay. Lovely. Okay, let's go back.
How's it looking out there?
Oh, this is actually looking very good. This
Well
is
done,
looking very good.
apart from Team 10.
And let's see this. Oh, this is some serious cooking happening. What's your name? Kayla.
Taylor.
And what's your name? Elizabeth. Do you know what? Okay. This. No, read it. Okay, so aloo is potato. Okay? And did you smell this? It's very nice. Have you ever tried this before? Oh no, okay, no, yes. Okay. Okay, fennel seeds. Indian meal when you go for. Carry some fennel seeds with you. After you finish your meal, have it as a mouth freshener. Okay? It's a great, it refreshes your breath. That's what fennel seeds do. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, looking good. Okay, now we have some chilies to add. Lovely. Let's add chilies. Now this is as per your taste. If you want to add it, add it. If you don't want to add, it's entirely up to you.
Yes, this is your dinner, folks. So you make it the way you like it as you're eating it. Okay?
That's right. This is looking good. And what we have here is we've got some yogurt. Okay? Generous portion of yogurt. Generous.
You have a big spoon, you should have anyway. So use your big spoon, use your big spoon,
Yes.
and spoon out a generous portion of the yogurt.
Okay. And just stir it, and you should make sure that you're not cooking it at high heat. Do not cook it on high heat, on medium.
Take it off the heat, station 4, take it off your heat. You're extending.
And then salt to taste, namak swad anusar, which means salt. Okay, this is,
It's got a lovely colour.
oh yeah, it's
So we'll change your
tastes very
colour.
good. Yeah, this tastes very good. Okay, now do you have pine nuts with you? How many of you have pine nuts? All of you, right? Let's see how many of you have pine nuts. Very good. Do you know what to do with them? Don't add into the dish. They are meant for eating. Perfect. Very nice. Don't add. They're good. Pine nuts are very good from this region, right? So pine nuts, actually don't finish the pine nuts. We'll garnish with pine nuts. Okay? Now,
Garnishing.
let's see. Okay, that's looking very good. Now we have, okay, almost done. Let's see.
That was quick.
Oh yeah, it's because tasting is important, right? There's a big hamper. You know what is in the hamper, do you know?
They don't, it's a surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise.
We like
So-
surprises.
Okay, it could be ticket for two to New York first class.
Oh no.
In your dreams. Okay. Okay, here we are. This is looking very good. And what we do is we just put it in the plate. Put it in the plate. You should have a plate with you.
They have a little plate.
They have a plate.
It's sustainable. We're trying our
Yeah,
best.
oh yes, that's good. And we have there's one crushed powder we have.
What is it?
This is fenugreek leaf.
Ooh.
Fenugreek leaf. But just a touch. Not too much.
Sprinkle.
Just to, that's it. Very, okay. That's good, yeah. Thank you very much. I was looking for that.
There you
Those
go.
things. Yes.
All over it.
And we have
Okay.
one more. You have some green leaves. Take all of those and on top. That's it.
Ta-da.
And the seeds, fennel seeds, again sprinkling of that. Just quarter teaspoon. And finally, the pine nuts.
Gorgeous. They're really
Finally, the
they're
pine
big
nuts.
ones. Big ones.
Yes, they are very nice. They're nicely toasted. Beautiful.
Is everyone with us so far? Are you okay with all the little pots?
Okay. Now,
Good.
let's see. Let's take this
Let's come around.
and let's see what's happening.
Have an incision on.
Okay, these are two. Very nice. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, very nice. Brilliant. Fantastic. Very good. Voila.
Everyone's super speedy.
Oh,
Nice try,
brilliant.
please.
Amazing.
Can we see?
Amazing. Okay. That looks very good, yeah. Oh, yeah, one for price of two. One for price of two. This is two for price of one. Okay. That's nice. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Yeah, he's been dreaming.
He didn't even
Twice
take
as
part.
much. Yeah. Very nice. Very good. Okay, well, that looks good. That looks very good.
Beautiful.
And oh, that is, I like that. Someone cleaning the station. I like that.
He's making it
Oh, look at that. Look at that. I love that touch. I love that touch. Outstanding. Very nice. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Happy chef.
Oh, that's very nice. That's looking very good. That's looking very nice. Now, let's do the tasting.
Are you watching the taste?
Of course. We have to taste.
I'm loving the fact you're going to taste.
There's honest competition. Okay. No, no worry. I just want to see what. Nice, very good. Well done. Well done.
Girls.
Well done. Oh, that looks very good. And.
Hold your breath.
Oh, that's nice and hot and spicy. Oh, ah. Okay. I need some water probably.
Do you want some water?
Yeah, with that. Okay. Now the air comes by sustainability using the other side of the spoon. Okay. Now the last round to see which is the winning team. Which is the winning team?
It's deciding.
Okay. Don't worry. Oh, that's hard. You ate it all. You ate it all. You ate it all.
Is it gone already?
Okay.
Wow.
Fantastic. Okay.
What do we think, chef?
All decided, all done. Okay.
Can I just say, can you all give yourselves a round of applause for being you all in an awesome job? Well done. You did good listening. Some of you did good listening.
Okay.
Okay. Good
Now, time to decide. Time to.
It's all done to you.
Okay, the winner is.
Oh, drum roll everyone, it's a drum roll. Oh.
Wait, we'll be back after a short break.
Can you tell me what's on TV?
Okay,
Who's going to be?
and the winner is team number 1.
Oh my goodness.
So the close competition. Well done. Oh, so nice.
Very well done, guys. Come and see me afterwards so you know what to do. A big person, come and see me.